What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another venture with the Bearded Bobber. And today I'm on this Heritage Classic, and I gotta say I love what they're doing with these bikes. It's a gorgeous bike, as you can see from my little panorama. It feels great. It's got a lot of torque, you know, and that's what Harley's known for. But this bike, the way it's set up, I'm super comfortable on this bike. Oh man, the windshield is buffing a little bit. I probably wouldn't need it, or I need it a little bit taller, but I love the handlebar setup. It feels super comfortable, man. Now I'll throw stats up for engine size and all the other stuff, and this is one of the smaller motors I've ridden today. But what I did want to talk about is how the Heritage, the Classic, you know, the feel of this older Harley, like, but with the new shit. My dad had a Softail back in the day, and I'll see if I can find a picture and post that up. This beautiful, like, magenta maroon, like, color, and I grew up loving that bike. Now, I always thought I'd get a Harley Fat Boy, just growing up being a bigger guy, and Terminator 2 and everything else, you know, it's a cool bike, and I just saw myself on one like that, or on my dad's bike, which this is just bringing back a lot of memories like that stuff. Now, you know, granted, I didn't get back into love of riding until I saw the Bobber, and ever since then it's been, you know, I don't know, this first year of riding, I'm almost on a year, and I've ridden probably 20 different motorcycles, so, and you know, put almost 10,000 miles on my Bobber. But you know, just riding this is bringing back a lot of, like, just nostalgia, you know, and it feels really good. I'm super comfortable. I always grew up thinking I'd be on a Fat Boy or this, like, when I'm older, even like when I wasn't like really thinking about, like, oh, I want a bike, I want to do this, I want to do that. You know, I just pictured when I got older and was just, you know, had a hobby bike, I'd have something like this or like that. Now, you know, of course, I have the Bobber, and I want a bagger for different stuff, for like the Chieftain with a full fairing. You know, in a perfect world, I'd get one of each, but this has surprisingly been one of, like, my favorite bikes now, riding it. And the Road King and that CBO with the 117, oh, like, you're not beating those. But this thing, man, look at this thing. It's just super comfortable. It's got the right bars for me. That Road King, that was the only thing that, you know, I wish it had, was the bigger bars. Then I probably would have been done. You know, clean up. Oh man, but I love the paint scheme. I love the style of this bike. Well done, Harley. You're doing a great job on these classic bikes. The next one I'm gonna ride is the Heritage Deluxe. So that one's got a lot of, like, little new stuff, but it still has got this, like, old feel. Like, I don't know, sometimes it just feels like, growing up around Harleys and stuff, this is the way I was, you know, told that it was supposed to feel. So maybe that's part of that. But it's just a cool bike, man, and I don't think you can get past that no matter what. You're not gonna get past, like, how cool this bike is. All right, you guys, well, we're hopping on the freeway, and freeways are not usually very entertaining, besides asshole drivers. So stay safe, stay classy. Punch it, dude.